Hi, my name is Steve Hicks, and welcome to another of the Kansas City Woodworkers Guild's ongoing series of machine safety videos. Today's video will cover an introduction to the safety rules and basic operation of the Guild's Festool Domino joiner. Keep in mind that, like all safety videos, this video focuses on the safety concerns of the machine and is not a complete training program for the use of the Domino joiner. Today we will touch on three things. We'll familiarize you with the Festool Domino joiner and some of the indexing and adjustments that can be made to facilitate the alignment and strength of the joinery this tool can produce. We will also show you and will briefly demonstrate the basic operation of the power tool. And most importantly, we will cover the key safety precautions that you must observe each and every time that you use this power tool. You should always remember that one of the most important safety concerns is to wear OSHA-approved safety glasses with side shields at all times while in the shop. Your regular glasses are not approved for use when participating in any shop activity while you're at the Guild. When using the Domino joiner, it is unlikely that the noise levels will require you to wear hearing protection. But if you feel more comfortable wearing hearing protectors, by all means do so. One caution on wearing hearing protection. Guild safety rules stipulate that any hearing protection must not have the ability to receive any type of broadcast music or podcast. Failure to follow this requirement introduces safety risk and may result in you losing your shop privileges.
Get ready to build everything faster and stronger than ever before. Joining used to be a slow and cumbersome task. Now all your panel, frame, and rack joints can be created quickly and precisely with one system. The Domino joining system from Festool. Traditional joining systems have used mortise and tenon, dowel, or biscuit joints. The Domino tenon incorporates the advantages of all these systems and exceeds them in speed, ease of use, and strength. The prefabricated dominoes are made of solid beech. The Domino tenon achieves maximum stability thanks to its special shape, designed with expanding glue slots, side grooves, and a large gluing surface area. Unlike a round dowel, the Domino is 100% rotation-proof and extremely solid. The Domino joiner provides the most innovative and superior method for easily cutting mortises with a handheld machine. The patented mortising of the Domino allows you to work quickly and precisely with no kickback. This revolutionary cutting method turns, oscillates, and plunges the mortising tool, making flawless mortises every single time. The mortise width can be adjusted for clearance using the hole width selector. The first hole is always mortised without clearance so that the workpieces are aligned accurately. The adjacent holes are mortised with clearance to compensate for minor positioning inaccuracies and to allow for expansion and contraction of the material. Domino tenons are available in 5 sizes for a wide range of applications and material thicknesses. Cutters come in 4 sizes. With the color code, choosing the appropriate domino and cutter is easy. Domino tenons are clearly arranged by size and are easy to find in the Domino sustainer. The Domino cutter is easy to change. Lift the black release lever using the operating wrench. Detach the guide frame from the motor unit. While pressing the spindle lock, release and remove the cutter using the wrench. Insert a new cutter and secure with the wrench while pressing the spindle lock. Slide the guide frame into the motor unit until it audibly latches into place. The depth stop on the Domino joiner allows you to mortise pairs of holes so that the Domino tenons can be positioned centrally or offset. To set the mortising depth, press and hold the black depth stop lever latch. Set the desired depth using the green stop lever. Mortising height can be simply adjusted using the step stop or the mortising height scale. The Domino joiner offers a variety of positioning options. The positioning angle can be set by releasing the black clamp lever. Select any setting between 0 and 90 degrees. Slide the step stop all the way back into place. Lower the angle stop all the way down and clamp. Center the viewing window in the tilting base over the scribe line for horizontal or miter mortising. Position the stop pin on the edge of the workpiece to index vertical, horizontal, or miter mortising. For vertical mortising, position the dimensioning lines on the stainless steel base on the scribe line. For additional security when mortising vertically, use the Domino support bracket. The Domino joiner also uses Festool's efficient dust extraction system, extracting 99% of all chips generated while mortising. The removable Festool plug-it cord and dust extraction hose can transfer seamlessly between almost every Festool power tool. The Domino joining system from Festool.
Now that we have familiarized you with some of the basic features of the Domino, it's time to turn our focus exclusively on the critical rules and precautions that must be followed when using the Domino joiner. First is to disconnect or leave disconnected the plug from the power source when installing bits or making adjustments to the tool. Be sure to remove the adjusting wrench and ensure that the shaft locking mechanism is secured before starting the machine. Make sure the fitting for the integrated dust extraction port is connected. The Domino must have the dust extraction system attached to remove a buildup of chips. Without dust extraction, the bit could become dull or could break, which creates a safety hazard. Do not operate the Domino joiner if the spring-loaded base does not return to its forward position. Always make sure the workpiece is secured in a vise or clamp to the workbench before performing mortising operations. Never try to hold the workpiece by hand alone when operating the Domino joiner. When operating the Domino joiner, a stable body position is important for both safety and the quality of the work you're trying to perform. The best practice is to take a staggered stance and place a lead hand on the front handle located at the front end of the adjustable fence. Apply pressure forward and downward on the handle, making sure the fence is pressed into the edge of the workpiece. Place a back hand just in front of the power cord connection to steadily push the mortiser into the workpiece to cut the mortise. Take care to make sure that your hands or digits are not hanging over or are in front of the fence in the line of fire, especially when the bit could come through narrow stock. This window in the fence and the thin black centering line allows for perfect visual alignment of the bit with the mark on your stock, keeping your hands entirely clear of the cutting path of the bit. This facilitates proper hand position for the safe cutting of the mortise. When the mortise has been cut, switch off the tool and allow the bit to completely stop before setting the tool aside. Other important things to remember and never do's when operating the Domino joiner include the following. Use only Festool brand tenons. Always use the adjustable fence and base to register your work. This ensures safety and accuracy of the cut. And never use dull or damaged bits. The Festool Domino joiner is a powerful mortising tool. When used properly and safely, it is excellent at helping any woodworker create solid joinery with superb alignment capabilities that should make any project requiring joinery easier for you to achieve top-notch quality. Remember, follow the safety precautions described in this video each and every time you plan to use the Domino joiner. If you observe any non-functioning safety feature, damaged parts, or any other issues with this tool, bring them to the immediate attention of the foreman on duty so that they can be corrected or repaired. This is Steve Hicks for the Kansas City Woodworkers Guild. Thanks for watching.